Okay, good morning students. I am Sushil Pandey. I am going to revise the main topic reported speech for class 9 and 10 in CBSE mode and tool third change of pronoun. The first thing is what is pronoun? The words which used in place of noun are called pronouns, and the pronouns are he, she, it, they, I, we, you. These are main pronouns, and the rule is if pronouns are given in reported speech. The rule is if pronouns are given in reported speech, then change them according to reporting verb. If pronouns are given in reported speech, then change them according to reporting verb. Second, I and we. I, we, first person pronoun. First person pronoun change according to reporting verb subject. Okay, then second rule is I and we first person pronoun, then I, we first person pronouns change according to reporting verb subject. You, that is second person pronoun. Second person pronoun. Second person pronoun change according to reporting verbs object. And fourth, rest of all the pronouns like he, she, it, they, no change. So students, once again see the rules. First rule is if pronouns are given in reported speech, okay, look here, reported speech, then change them according to reporting verb. And now see how to change. Second rule, if I and we first person pronouns are given in reported speech, then change them according to reporting verb subject. The main point is I and we change according to reporting verbs subject. Next third, you is second person, so second person change according to reporting verbs object. Third rule, rest of all the pronouns like he, she, it, they, no change. Okay. So students, now you see this rule, you see this rule in a table. The main formula is according to this rule is like sun upon 123 S O and N upon 1, 2 and 3. You all see this table? S O N upon 1, 2, 3. Then look, S for subject, O object, and no change. Upon 1 means first person, and 2 means second person, and 3 means third person. Okay, students? Subject, object, no change, and first person, second person, and third person. Now you divide all the pronouns according to this table. So I and we first person pronouns, you second person pronouns, and rest of all he, she, it, their third person pronouns. Okay? And these are subjective pronouns. I, we, you, he, she, they are subjective pronouns. Now you see objective pronouns as for my, me, my, and mine. You can divide like this: we, us, our, ours, you, your, and yours, he, his, him, and objective of she, her, and hers. Form it, its, they, them, and their. Okay, so you all see this table properly. As first person pronoun, according to rule, I and we change according to reporting of subject. So see, if in reported speech I and we pronouns are given, then change them according to reporting of subject. You change according to object. Rest of all third person, no change. And here are given objective of these pronouns as my, mine, your, yours. Okay? Now see examples. Now see examples. First, Mamta said to Akash, comma, inverted commas again, I am going to market. I am going to market. Okay? Then in this direct sentence, I pronoun given in reported speech. So change Mamta told Akash. Okay, Mamta told Akash that in place of comma and inverted comma use that conjunction. After that I. According to rule, I and we change according to reporting verb subject. And here subject is Mamta. So according to subject, I change into she. See. Now am going. Am going means past continuous tense change into. Am going is present continuous change into past continuous. She was going to market. Market. Second example. Hari said to Meera, inverted comma, you writes a letter to my friend. Look, this sentence properly. Hari said to Meera. Then Hari told Meera. Okay? Hari told Meera. In place of comma and inverted comma, that conjunction. You, here in reported speech, you pronoun is given. So you change according to object. Object is Meera. So you change into she. She. And here writes, verb is given writes. Writes means S or ES. It means this sentence is in present indefinite tense. And in present indefinite tense commonly use S or ES or do or does. So here writes is in present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense change into past indefinite tense. So it is simple sentence. So you can also change in indirect in simple sentence. So right here wrote. She wrote a letter to here my friend. Here my is objective of I. So also change according to subject Hari. According to Hari, his friend. His friend. So students, in dialect of this sentence, Hari told Meera that she wrote a letter to his friend. Third sentence, Gaurav said to Deepak, I did not play a match. I did not play a match with your team. With your team. Look the sentence. Gaurav said to Deepak, I did not play a match with your team. Then indirect of the sentence, Gaurav told Deepak that here is given I change according to subject Gaurav. So I change into he. Next verb is given did not. Did not also belong to past indefinite tense. So past indefinite tense change into past perfect tense. In past perfect tense we use had helping verb plus third form of the main verb. So right here had not played a match with, here is given your. Your is objective of you. So change according to object. Object is given Deepak. So you change into his team. His team. Okay. Next rule. Next rule is change of interrogative sentences. Next rule is change of interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences, first type sentences. First type sentences. In first type rule, first, if helping verbs are given, you all know what are helping verbs? Do, does, is, are, am, has, have, had, did, was, were, had, will, shall, can, and may. So students, these are helping verbs, okay? And the rule is if helping verbs are given in the beginning of reported speech, in the beginning of reported speech, then change first, then change first reporting verb set to into asked. Second, in place of comma and inverted comma, use if conjunction. Okay? Now see examples. First, Gaurav said to Mamta, are you going to school? Look, in that of the sentence. In this sentence, helping verb is given in the beginning of the reported speech. Then change reporting verb set to into asked. So, Gaurav asked Mamta if. Look here. Gaurav asked Mamta, in place of comma and inverted comma, if conjunction is used. So Gaurav asked Mamta if, and look here, the main important thing is, first of all, after if conjunction, first write subject, after that helping verb. So here subject is you change according to Mamta, then she are changed into was. She was going to school. Second, Hari said to Meera, I did not fly the kite. I did not fly the kite in the field. and question mark. Then look here, did I not fly the kite in the field? Then reporting was set to change into asked. Hari asked Meera if I change according to Hari. So he had not flown the kite in the field. In the field. In the field. Okay, students, next part of this reported speech we will see next day. Okay, thank you.